Hello there, Vault Explorers. Doing some maintenance on my before I take her out again tonight. And so one of the things I always check before I go on a ride, I check the chain, I check the tires, check the chain, check my fluids. Okay, so my chain is in need of some adjustments here. I'm gonna tighten it on the snail adjusters, the cam adjuster, whatever they call them. I'm gonna give it a click or two on those. But something that'll kind of, I don't see a lot of people bringing this up, but I'm gonna bring it up to you guys and girls. Anyways, it's your spokes play a big part in the way your wheel rides, vibrates, shifts. It can affect, it just, everything affects everything. Okay, so take the time to go around and just check your spokes for loose spokes. Okay, on mine, on the other side, I don't want to get up because I'm lazy, but on the other side there's rust streaks coming out of two of the spokes, and that's an indicator of loose parts. Okay, actually I think you can see it right here. That's one of them right here, and this was one of them that was really bad, and another one is not too far away. I think right here. Okay, those two were like incredibly loose, but I went around and tightened them all. And the technique to do it, I'm gonna show you real quick. Your starting point, just use the valve stem here and get a wrench. Now this isn't a sprocket wrench per se. It's a 1/4 inch. It's a quarter, yeah, 1/4 right there. They actually make kits for them. They're just a little pricey, and I don't want to spend that kind of money right now. But regardless, just use what you can in a pinch. Okay, so you're gonna go through and just tighten it up. Okay, and then count 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit that one, tighten it up, and then go all the way around. Okay, then go to your next one, the next one that you started with. Tighten that up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tighten it up, go all the way around. You're going to do that 4 times. Okay, and yeah, I mean it's literally that simple. Now the kits that I've seen on Amazon and some of the other guys that have done a couple videos, they're talking about torque specs, and I don't have that information just yet. But when I actually go through to change out this tire, and I have a new sprocket that I'm putting on, I'll look up those specs and I'll give another little demo while the wheel's off. But the punchline of the story is, this is something that I've never checked before. I only did it because I was messing around with the chain, checking it out, and kind of was flipping around and saw just loose spokes all around. And I had noticed that I had a lot of just weird riding geometry. So hopefully that'll take care of that. But now I'm going to go through and tighten this up a little bit. I don't need to do a video on this because there's so many great videos out there from guys and girls doing chain tightening techniques and everything. But that's that. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. All right.